Flat bags on roll from HAPLAST make food packaging simple, convenient, and reliable. Easy to tear off individually, each bag is ready for everyday use. From fresh apples, oranges, and mangoes to larger and heavier produce, these bags are designed to handle the load with confidence. Even when carrying a full watermelon, the bag remains strong and secure without tearing. Need extra strength? It can easily hold multiple bottles filled with water while maintaining its durability. And thanks to its leak-resistant construction, even a bag filled with water stays sealed without dripping. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by manufacturing certifications and long-term cooperation with international partners, HAPLAST continues providing practical packaging solutions for food packing and export supply chains worldwide. Contact HAPLAST for reliable food packaging solutions tailored to your business needs.